Hello students, I am Sujata Paunikar from Department of Electrical Engineering, AISSMS IOIT Pune. I welcome you all for today's session on electrical and magnetic field analogy and similarity. Dissimilarity. Basics of electrical field. Electrical power is generated and consumed by devices that employ magnetic fields. Without the aid of magnetism, it is impossible to operate devices such as electrical generators, electrical motors, transformer, electric instruments, etc. Electricity and magnetism are the building blocks of modern technology. The study of these devices essentially involves electric and magnetic circuit analysis and their interaction. Here we can see some electrical parameter and components. Voltage source V is shown by the battery. Voltage is applied across the resistance, that is denoted by letter R and unit ohms, and once circuit is completed, through the closed circuit path current I in amperes flowing through the circuit. When current I flowing through the circuit through the resistance R, it will generate heat loss, that is I square R, and that is measured in power dissipated watts and denoted by letter P. Basics of magnetic field. A magnet is material or an object that produces magnetic field around itself, which enables other ferromagnetic materials such as iron to get attracted or repelled towards it. The region around a magnet in which the force of attraction or repulsion exists is called as magnetic field. The magnetic field around a magnet is represented by imaginary lines called magnetic lines of force. The magnetic lines of force emanate from the north pole N, pass through the surrounding medium and returns at the S pole. So the journey is from north pole to south pole. Since lines of magnetic flux always formed a closed loop, the lines of flux pass from south to north pole through the magnet. So we can get the idea magnetic field or change in the magnetic field produces electricity or electricity produces magnetic effect. Interaction of magnetic and electric field. When in a closed circuit current is passed through the circuit, it produces magnetic effect that is shown in the figure ABC. When circuit is not closed, it is an open circuit, current is not flowing since there is no magnetism and magnetic needle or compass remains in the static or stationary motion, stationary field. When current is passing through the circuit from point A to B, it will produce magnetic moment or magnetic field, and depending on the polarity of that magnetic effect, this compass needle will move. North pole will get attracted to south pole produced by the electric current. Similarly, when the current is flowing in the opposite direction, exactly reverse thing is happening, which is shown in the figure C. Analogy between electricity and magnetism. Electricity and magnetism are closely intertwined. A changing magnetic field creates an electrical field, and changing electrical field creates magnetic field. Few phenomena in electrical and magnetic field are relation between charge and current. So current is charge per unit time denoted in amperes. Electric potential is nothing but the work done per unit charge, that is volts or joules per coulomb. Resistance of conductor R is denoted by ohms and symbol is R, and formula is rho L by A. Ohm's law is given by R is equal to voltage divided by current. Magnetic field of a long straight conductor B is equal to mu I upon 2 pi R. Magnetic field strength H is given by I upon 2 pi R. Magnetic field at the center of coil is given by this formula. Similarly, we can get flux density, magnetic field strength by interchanging the parameters. Now let's see similarities between electric and magnetic field. In electric circuit, it is a closed path followed by the current. Similarly, magnetic circuit is a closed path followed by the magnetic flux. Current is the flow of electron through a conductor. Flux is the lines of force through a medium from north to south. Current is given by voltage upon resistance, whereas flux is given by mmf upon reluctance. So voltage or EMF has analogy with mmf. Resistance has analogy with reluctance. Driving force for current is EMF and unit is volts. Driving force for flux is mmf and unit is ampere turns, that is Ni. Limited by resistance R or opposition offered by the conductor to the flow of current is called as resistance. It is unit is ohms and the formula is rho L by A. Whereas flux opposition given by the magnetic path is called as reluctance. So reluctance is nothing but the opposition to flow of flux and unit is ampere turns per Weber. Reluctance is directly proportional to the length of the magnetic path. Conductance is the ease with which electric current flows through a substance, whereas permeance is the ease with which magnetic flux can be set up in a material. In the electric circuit, current density is the rate of electric current per unit area, whereas flux density is the flux per unit area. In case of electric circuit, we are applying KCL and KVL. Similarly, in a magnetic circuit, Kirchhoff's flux and MMF laws are applicable to the magnetic circuit. These were the similarities between electric circuit and magnetic circuit. Like in electric circuit, you have current, voltage and resistance, whereas in magnetic circuit, current is analogy with the flux, voltage or EMF is analogous to mmf and resistance has analogy with the reluctance. There are few dissimilarity between electric and magnetic field. The electric current flow in an electric circuit, whereas magnetic flux does not flow but it is set up in the magnetic circuit. There are many materials which use as a insulators from which current cannot pass, whereas there is no magnetic insulator as a flux can pass through all the materials, even though the air as well. So there is no magnetic insulator. The value of resistivity varies very slightly with the temperature. Hence resistance of an electric circuit is practically constant. The value of relative permeability is not constant for a given material. Hence the reluctance of magnetic circuit is not constant. It depends on flux density and relative permeability. So resistivity is almost constant, whereas permeability is not constant. Energy needed as long as current flows through electric circuit. Once magnetic flux is set up in a magnetic circuit, no energy is required. The electric field is produced by a unit pole charge, whereas the magnetic field is caused by a dipole moment in a magnet. The electric field lines do not form a loop. The magnetic field lines form a closed loop. Thank you all.